That's an important question for digital collectors. ELLIPAL devices, specifically the ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 and Titan Mini Cold wallets, can securely manage non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These hardware wallets, known for their air-gapped security, ensure your private keys, which prove ownership of your NFTs, remain completely offline, isolated from any internet connection. This provides a crucial layer of security against remote hacks and online threats. The actual management and viewing of your NFTs is done through the ELLIPAL mobile app, which pairs with your cold wallet device via QR codes. The wallet securely signs transactions offline, and the QR code is used to transmit the signed data to the online app for broadcasting. This air-gapped process means your private keys never leave the secure hardware device. ELLIPAL supports NFT management on major networks like Ethereum and Polygon. Through the mobile app's integration with Wallet Connect, you can connect your ELLIPAL wallet to popular NFT marketplaces and decentralized applications, allowing you to view, send, and receive your digital collectibles safely. So, for those looking to protect their valuable digital art and assets, ELLIPAL provides a robust, secure solution for storing and managing NFTs while keeping your most important asset, your private key, in cold storage.